Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Reema from GuruNanda team. Today, I'm going to talk about dental implants versus dentures. So what's really worth it? Choosing between dental implants and dentures can feel confusing, especially when you're thinking about comfort, cost, appearance, chewing ability, and long-term health. As a dentist, patient asks me every day, Doctor, so what's actually better, implants or dentures? So today, I tell you the real-life differences so that you can make an informed, confident decisions based on fact, not myths. So what are dentures? Dentures are removable prosthetic teeth that sits on the top of the gums. So what are the advantages of dentures? They are more affordable, no surgery required, good option when bone loss is severe, and even faster to make. So what are the limitations of dentures? Can feel loose, bulky or uncomfortable, can affect speech and taste and even needs to be removed at night. Chewing power drops to 20 to 30% of natural teeth, even required adhesive for stability, and even bone loss continues for some time also. Need replacement after every 5 to 7 years. So what are dental implants? Dental implants are titanium posts that are placed into the jawbone. They are functioning like artificial tooth roots. So what are the advantages of dental implants? Look, feel and function like natural teeth. Restore 90 to 100% of chewing ability. They are fixed solution. No clicking, slipping or adhesive required. Preserve jawbone and facial structure and even boost confidence when you are speaking or eating. Very long lifespan, that is around 20 years with care. Easy to maintain, brush and floss normally. Even can support single teeth, bridges or full arches. There are some limitations also. Higher initial cost required, surgery is required and even healing time is also required. Requires healthy bone and even good oral hygiene. So who should choose dentures? Someone looking for the most affordable option and that patient who can't undergo surgery also. They can choose dentures. In some patients, those having severe bone loss, in that case they can choose dentures unless bone graft is given to that patient. Who should choose dental implants? Anyone looking for a long, natural feeling solution. Patients who want strong chewing ability and those who want to prevent bone loss and those who are tired of loose dentures also, they can go for dental implants. So, if you want the closest thing to real teeth, like in comfort, strength and appearance and even in long-term oral health, dental implants are absolutely worth it. They cost more but save money and discomfort over the years. Dentures are still good, affordable options for those patients who don't want surgery and all, but they don't provide the stability, chewing power or bone protection that implants do. If you are medically and financially eligible, dental implants are the gold standard. If not, dentures are the workable and reliable alternative. Thank you.